Hi sir, good morning. My name is Balaji, BTech Tharir Tibili B section. My topic is closed loop operation of DC motor. Closed loop speed control of DC motor. The converters are built using semi-conductor device which have very low thermal capacity. Their transistor and steady state current rating are same. The DC motor can carry 2 to 3.5 times the rate current during operations of short during such as starting, braking, and reversing. Higher the current, higher is the torque, and fast is the transist response. Therefore, when fast response during transistor operation is required, motor current is allowed to have a maximum permissible value. The converse rating is then choice and equal to the maximum value of motor current. Because of large current rating the conversion cost we will know the higher when fast transistor response is not required, the convert current rating is chosen to be equal to the motor current rating in order to keep the converter cost is low. Closed loop drivers are provided with the current limit control and in order to protect the converters against current overloads. The closed loop speed control of DC motor are provided with inner current control loop in order to limit the current within a safe limit and also to accelerate and declarate the drives at the maximum permissible current and torque during transistor operations. It should, however, be not that declaration at the maximum current or torque will be possible when the converter user has a capability for braking operation also. It may further be note that control receptor will be used when supply is AC and chopper will be used when a supply is DC. The basic approach of closed loop speed control below and above the speed is explained by the device figure 5.7. Speed control. Speed control is for the current limited control controller feeding circuit. AC supply. AC supply is P and SP sensor is supply the motor. AC supply is past the okay. The basic approach closed loop control is going to okay. Basic speed at the constant armature voltage and very field current above the speed, but the armature and field are therefore feed on fully controlled receptor. Since the armature is feed from fully controlled receptor, forward braking is not possible. The reverse declaration of due to low torque only because of inner current control with the current limiter. The acceleration with take place at the maximum permissible current and torque in converter feed reverse PI. Okay, control is often used because is filter out noise which can be otherwise becomes a problem. PI control also gives good steady state accuracy and closed loop controls of control below the above basic speed is the circuit diagram is speed control of operation of DC motor circuit diagram speed control is the speed control positive speed control is the current limiter current controller firing circuit, firing circuit, AC supply, AC supply positive plus a speed pass the speed sensors um, to minus Vs voltage AC supply us. Okay, circuit diagram. See there. Okay, the first X meaning the operation below the basic speed in the field control loop. The back EMF E is compared with the reference voltage E, which is chosen to be between 0.85 to 0.95 of the rated armature voltage. The higher value is used for motor with the low armature circuit distance. For speed below base speed, the field controllers saturate due to large value error. The firing angle field is maintained at the zero, applying rate voltage to the field the insulated field current for motor operation below a base speed. When the speed is reference is increased from Wm to Wm to Wm is greater than W1 due to large speed error, the current limiter status and set to the current reference at the maximum and permissible value. The reverse the current limiter is the desaturates and reverse satellite speed Wm2 and the current which gives is reference zero is and zero is rated the target is the speed control of big revenue. Okay, and which is a motor. Let use now it turns the response slower. Okay, let us now examine the operation above base speed. When the closer to base speed, the field control comes out of saturation. Now, if the reference speed is set for a speed above basic speed, the current reference is set at the maximum permissible value. The the firing angle of the armature receptor is reduced to initially increase via the motor accelerates E increase EF decreases reducing the field current. The motor speed continues the increase and field current continues to decreases until the motor speed because equal to the front speed. Since the speed is error will no be small VA will return to a value closer or original value. Thus, the speed control above base speed is obtained by field control with the armature voltage maintained near the rated value in the field control region. Base above base speed, the drive is response very slow due to large value of the field time constant. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.